Hey guys, welcome back, and it's finally that time. I know I'm a little bit early, but I'm ready for spooky season, so I hope you guys are ready too. So I have these extra long nail tips from Temu. I painted them with 2 coats of this black, which is also from Temu. I cured it. I did a little top coat, and then I decided why not decorate them together. So we're going to take this base coat and do a blooming gel effect on 3 of the nails. My dog is literally going crazy. I swear I cannot have a moment of silence from this dog. Like, he's so good, but he is always near me, and he's teething, and he's going wild with his bone right now. And honestly, like, I need to film this voiceover, so I'm sorry if it's bothering you, but it's real life. So just paint some nice even layers there. I'm doing the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky with the blooming gel effect. So I'm just making sure I'm getting every little speck on the nail as even as humanly possible. And then we're going to take our color and just dot it around. I love doing this in nail sets. It's honestly like one of my favorite designs because it just looks so cool. So I chose this orange from Born Pretty. This is BPCC03. It's a neon orange, but because I'm going over a black, it kind of dulls it down a little bit, but I was still happy with it. But if you are not using it over a black, this is like literally super neon. So just make your dots wherever you want. I have no rhyme or reason to my placement. And then you let them bloom, and when you are happy, you cure for 60 seconds and you have your little blooming gel effect. And it's as easy as that, guys. So let me know down below, how excited are you for all the upcoming spooky sets? You can definitely be looking forward to a bunch on my channel, starting right now. This is the first one, and they are not going to stop because I am a Halloween girl. So now for these 2 right here, I'm taking this glitter top coat, which is also from Temu. It has like gold glitter specks in it. I thought it would go really well, and this is what it looks like right here. And I love this one. I've gotten so much use out of this. It was so cheap. It was literally like $1.50, and it's no wipe. Love it so much. So yeah, these nails, I was rushing through saying it in the beginning, I think. These are like extra long round gel extensions. They're the ones that, like, a lot of people don't like these, but I do like them a lot. They're in like the long rectangle box. I will link everything down below, and they are the ones in the turquoise. Like, I know they have long square, they have coffin, they have stilettos, like they have everything in this make. I'm just gonna have to show you because I forgot to pull out the box for this. So yeah, just top coating them and then curing for 60 seconds, and we're gonna get to decorating with some super cute Halloween sequins that I have had for quite a while, but I never really used it. I mean, I did a couple times, but I really wanted to showcase it in this set. So this is what we are going for, and I think they're super cute. They're like party witch nails. So it came in a 12 grid container. It's available on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but I dumped mine in a little tiny Ziploc bag because it's just easier, and it looks so pretty. I love looking at that. All the like metallic colors, and that they're like Halloween. Oh, it's perfect. And I'm going to take a bunch of these tiny little flat back orange rhinestones. These are pretty small, just to like add around to fill in some blank space and just add some extra sparkle to the nail set. So for whatever reason, I don't know, I decided to go with the base coat for this. I just thought it would kind of like flood under the sequins and give me a good hold, and I'm pretty happy with the way that these laid down for me with this. So I'm just taking some of the pumpkins. There's big pumpkins, there's small pumpkins. I do use a bit of both. So I'm putting down some pumpkins and a star. We're going to add more to that one, but I set it aside to cure. And then for the middle finger, I'm just going to do some dots and like drag it around where I know I'm going to put some stuff. We're doing a cat on this one, another pumpkin. Obviously, feel free to use whatever sequence you like best if you have these. and I highly recommend getting them because they're super cute. There's a lot you could do with these. You could totally encapsulate in Gel X, depending. You just want to make sure you don't choose too big of sequins. It can be kind of tricky, pain in the butt, but for what I'm doing right here, I am loving it, and as long as you top coat thoroughly, you will not have any issues with these sequins popping up. So yeah, same thing for the pinky, just dotting some base coat down and getting whatever it is that I feel like I want to use for this one. They're not, every finger isn't the same, they're similar, but I did like vary back and forth a bit. I hope you can hear me. I really hope you can hear me. If I listen back to this, I'm going to be so mad. I'm so sorry that my dog is a crazy maniac right now. But yeah, this is my time to do my voiceover. He's like 5 months old now and weighs 81 pounds. So he is like getting super gigantic. It's pretty crazy. If you didn't know, he's a Great Dane. We got him in July. So from July till now, he is huge. And he's definitely not done growing. I decided I want to add these little handcuffs to that spot because it just, they laid down so nicely, so I had to. And I'm going to add a bat as well. And then after I do my cure, it is time for the little rhinestone additions. If you're still here listening to me, comment me down below some pumpkins, some bats, some gravestones, anything Halloween. I'll know you were here. And also comment me down below what type of Halloween nails you want to see next, because I'm going to be keeping like some notes because I want to do so much for this season. I don't want to forget anything. I'm not a big like seasonal nail person. Like, I don't care about Thanksgiving nails. I don't care about Christmas nails. I'm sorry. They're just not my vibe. But everything that you can do with Halloween nails is totally my aesthetic. Like, you can do like blood, like slime, like Beetlejuice, like skulls, like anything. I just love it so much. So I am totally open to like every suggestion in the world for Halloween nail ideas, and I will be more than happy to start creating them. I would honestly like to make one set of Halloween nails every day from this time on. I just think that would be so much fun, kind of like a countdown to Halloween. Let me know what you think about that down below. Maybe I should definitely do that, because now that I'm saying it out loud, it sounds pretty good. But what I'm securing the tiny rhinestones with is the MERCARI rhinestone glue gel, just because I like that a lot. And since these are tiny, you know, it's just different texture than the sequins. So I went with that for them. But honestly and obviously, if you don't want to use base coat for your sequins, like totally don't. You don't have to do what I do. I am no professional. That is just what I grabbed for this video. Yeah. And I'm just putting about like 4-ish sporadically and evenly spaced out on the nails. Oh, they look so cute. I love it so much. And curing for 60 seconds. And after we do all that, I love this thumb so much. This is such a different nail shape. I know, like, not a lot of people love like round nails, especially extra long nails, but in my personal opinion, I think these are super cute party witch nails. Like, they just are giving it. Yeah. So once I finish doing this little number here, we're going to cure for 60 seconds and we're going to top coat severely, thoroughly, carefully, and we are going to secure every square piece, every square inch, I mean, or whatever, you know what I mean. We are going to douse these nails evenly in top coat. I do not want anything moving. I like to completely solidify my stuff in with top coat, because you went through all this work, you want your stuff to stay on the nails. So my favorite top coat as of right now is this Born Pretty one that I did receive in PR. I did a video on it if you're interested in that. It's so good. It's just the slippy kind. It's so shiny when it cures. It's like the perfect top coat in my opinion. The brush, oh my god, it's the best brush I've ever used on any gel polish, literally ever. And it's 15 ml, which I love. So I'm only using this on the 3 nails with the sequins, because I already used that glitter top coat on the other 2 nails, if you've been following along. And let me know down below, have you done any Halloween nail sets yet? Is it too early for you? It's not too early for me. Let me know. Are you a Halloween girly like me? Yeah, I want to know. So, oh my god, I love the thumb so much. It's just like, so cute. Oh my god. I hope that someone gives me some requests for Halloween stuff, because if you don't, I'm going to do it anyway, and I'm just going to do what I want. So, yeah, either way, look forward to that. But, yeah. We're just going to finish top coating, and then we're going to do the final reveal. Oh my god, how cute are these? I am so happy with how these turned out, and this was like totally minimal effort. Total minimal effort. They're still dark. They're just like a villain's length nail, and the pumpkins are my absolute favorite. They're just so bright and they really pop, and I love it. So let me know down below what you think, and I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.